My friends, I am Arthur. Today, if you can't save, I'm explaining the simplest rule you can apply: 50/30/20. In 2 minutes, set up your budget and start saving. This rule really works very well and helps you manage your money. Also, if you can apply it properly, you can even make money. I'm starting. The rule is 50% of your income should go to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and debt payments. Needs: rent, bills, food, transportation. Wants: eating out, cinema, shopping, subscriptions. Savings: emergency fund, investments, debt repayment. Why does it work? Because it sets a clear boundary. Your money knows where to go. If your monthly income is 20,000 Turkish lira, then 10,000 Turkish lira needs, 6,000 Turkish lira wants, 4,000 Turkish lira savings. It's that simple. You may struggle the first month. You'll get used to it the second month. By the 6th month, seeing your savings will motivate you. Apply and see. Enjoy the show. Invest. A new video will be on the channel in 4 days. Again, enjoy the show. Don't forget to state your ideas in the comments. Anyway, again, enjoy the show.